How to budget for home repairs if you keep the marital home. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Keeping the marital home after divorce can feel like a win, especially if it provides stability for you or your kids. But with that ownership comes full responsibility for repairs and maintenance. If you're not prepared, home-related expenses can quickly overwhelm your post-divorce budget. The good news is, with the right planning, you can manage these costs and protect your investment. Start by evaluating the current condition of the home. Make a list of any known issues: leaky faucets, aging appliances, roof wear, outdated electrical, and get estimates where possible. You'll also want to account for routine maintenance like HVAC servicing, landscaping, gutter cleaning, and pest control. These smaller, recurring costs often get overlooked but can add up quickly. Next, build a home repair and maintenance budget into your monthly finances. A common rule of thumb is to set aside 1% to 2% of your home's value each year for repairs and upkeep. For example, if your home is worth $500,000, budgeting $400 to $800 per month into a savings fund gives you a cushion when something breaks unexpectedly, because eventually it will. Also consider home warranty plans, especially during the first year or two post-divorce. These plans typically cover appliances and systems like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, and can reduce the financial burden of sudden repairs. Just make sure you understand what's covered and what's not before signing up. We recently worked with a client who kept the marital home but hadn't budgeted for any future repairs. Within a few months, the water heater failed and she wasn't prepared for the $2,000 replacement cost. We helped her reevaluate her monthly budget, set up a home repair fund, and get a warranty plan in place to avoid similar surprises in the future. At Divorce 661, we help our clients plan beyond the legal process. If you're keeping the home, we'll guide you on how to protect it financially, from budgeting for repairs to updating the title and mortgage. If you've been awarded the marital home and want to make sure you're financially prepared to maintain it, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you create a plan that protects your home and your peace of mind,